Florida's DeSantis signs controversial sanctuary cities ban into law. Signed a controversial measure on Friday that blocks localities from becoming and mandates they cooperate with federal. I am proud to sign the bill presented to me by the Florida legislature to uphold the rule of law and ensure that no city or county jurisdiction can get in the way of Florida's cooperation with our federal partners to enforce immigration law.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.